I think between 2018 and 2019, I still had some interest in drones and I decided to buy one. Usually when I'm conducting an experiment of this sort, I go for something affordable. So I bought Elfie, the world's smallest foldable drone at the time. And it was an interesting experiment. I was digging through the house this morning when I ran into this very interesting and also very basic drone. Elfie doesn't fly anymore. The wings, the blades have been damaged and I have been unable to find replacements. This bird is at the end of its career. Elfie has a selfie camera and it moves, so you're able to take selfies with it. It had an altitude hold feature that allows it to stay in place. And it's a very basic drone. This is the battery. It goes in here somewhere. I think this gets plugged here. Yes, gets plugged in there. And you push. Yep, that's it. That battery is obviously not charged. Like I said, I pulled this out of the drawer while checking for certain things. So this is just a blast from the past, or a throwback, or whatever you youngins call it now. I'm just reminiscing. What's smallest foldable? I don't know if my interest in drones will ever be rekindled. Perhaps it will, and I might just buy another one just for the fun of it. I don't see much that I'm going to be doing with it, so that's very dicey. But if I ever, once again, find a reason, whatever reason, however silly, to buy a drone, I'll buy one and you will hear from me. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one.